गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हम इंग्लिश लिटरेचर वन लाइनर सीरीज़ शुरू कर चुके हैं और आज हमारा डे 2 है। इससे पहली क्लास में हमने 85 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए थे और हमारा जो टारगेट है वो टोटल मैक्सिमम 1000 क्वेश्चंस कवर करने का है इस सीरीज़ में। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना लेट किए। The play Julius Caesar begins with Caesar's victorious parade after having defeated Pompey. नेक्स्ट है हमारा लाइन क्या, द लाइन बिवेयर द आइडियाज ऑफ मार्च appears in Julius Caesar. Nahum Tate reproduced King Lear with a comic ending. Cymbeline, Pericles, The Winter's Tale and The Tempest are Shakespeare's romances. All's well that ends well, Measure for Measure and Troilus and Cressida are Shakespeare's dark comedies or problem plays. The famous book called Shakespearean Tragedy was written by whom? A.C. Bradley. The Forest of Arden appears in As You Like It. The characters Antonio, Bassanio, Portia and Shylock appear in The Merchant of Venice. The identical Prince Sebastian and Viola are characters in Twelfth Night. The White Devil and the Duchess of Malfi are tragedies by the Jacobean playwright John Webster. Bacon's The New Atlantis is modelled on Utopia. Bacon introduced the inductive method of reasoning in Novum Organum. The Jacobean era refers to the reign of King James I. The term metaphysical in connection with Donne's poetry was first used by Dryden. Holy Sonnets are a group of 19 religious poems written by John Donne in his later career. Next है the paradox of death and rebirth is exploited in Donne's poem Batter My Heart. Next है Dr. Samuel Johnson condemned the philosophical conceit as heterogeneous ideas yoked by violence together. Next है हमारा the metaphysical poets used the carpe diem philosophy, meaning carpe diem means क्या होता है, seize the day, which derives from the classical Greco-Roman period. Next है Henry Vaughan's poem dealing with the exiled souls longing to return to its heavenly home is The Retreat, and it inspired Wordsworth's ode on the intimations of immortality. Next है The collar is a metaphor in John Herbert's poem The Collar that stands for discipline. George Herbert, Henry Vaughan and Richard Crashaw were religious poets of the Jacobean era. Next है Henry Vaughan's The Retreat inspired Wordsworth to compose ode on intimation of immortality. Next है हमारा Cooper's Hill is a 17th century topographical poem by John Denham. The Anatomy of Melancholy is a work written by Robert Burton. The prose works Holy Living and Holy Dying are written by the 17th century religious prose writer Jeremy Taylor. Leviathan or Matter, Form and Power of a Commonwealth, Ecclesiastical and Civil is a philosophical work by Thomas Hobbes. Next है Lycidas is a pastoral elegy by Milton. Lycidas mourns the death of Edward King. Milton's Paradise Lost was published in 1667. In The Marriage of Heaven and Hell, William Blake said Milton was of the devil's party without knowing it. In preface to the Fables, Dryden called Milton the poetical son of Spenser. Next है major theme of Milton's Paradise Lost is The Fall of Man. The Dr. Johnson criticizes metaphysical poetry in his Life of Cowley. नेक्स्ट आइए देख लेते हैं. Steps to the Temple is a poetical work by Richard Crashaw which shows his admiration and indebtedness to the poet George Herbert who wrote The Temple. नेक्स्ट है Absalom and Achitophel and Macflecknoe, a allegorical satire by Dryden. In Absalom and Achitophel, Absalom represents the Duke of Monmouth and Achitophel represents the Earl of Shaftesbury. तो जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं एब्सलोम एंड एकिटोफेल किसके द्वारा लिखी गई है, रिटन बाय जॉन ड्राइडन, और इसमें एब्सलोम कौन रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ड्यूक ऑफ मनमथ को रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है, और जो एकिटोफेल है दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स द अर्ल ऑफ शेफ्सबरी. नेक्स्ट है एब्सलोम एंड एकिटोफेल एलिगोरिकली डिस्कसेस द exclusion crisis through the depiction of the Old Testament story of Absalom's rebellion against his father King David with the help of his father's advisor Achitophel. Next है Mr. Worldly Wise Man, Faithful, Hopeful and Giant Despair are allegorical characters in John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress. नेक्स्ट है हमारा इन मैकफ्लेक्नो ड्राइडन ridiculed his principal opponent Shadwell. Macflecknoe means the son of Flecknoe, a minor poet. Dryden's Astraea Redux celebrates the restoration of Charles II in 1660. Dryden's The Medal is a satire on the Earl of Shaftesbury. In Dryden's religious allegory, The Hind and the Panthar, the Hind stands for Catholic Church, while the Panther stands for the Anglican Church. Next है The Conquest of Granada is a heroic play by Dryden. The Great Fire of London occurred in 1666. The poem Two Daffodils is written by Robert Herrick. A sonnet on Milton, also called London 1802, was written by Wordsworth. The protagonist of Milton's Paradise Regained is Christ. Milton's On His Blindness is a sonnet that laments the loss of his eyesight. Milton's style is popularly called the grand style. Next है हमारा Wordsworth said that sonnet in Milton's hand became a trumpet. There are 12 books in Paradise Lost and 4 books in Paradise Regained. The theatres were closed down by the Puritans in 1642 and were reopened in 1660 at the time of Restoration. Next है Oliver Cromwell's Protectorate extended from 1653 to 1660. Arnold called the 18th century the age of prose and reason. Next है The biographer of Dr. Samuel Johnson is James Boswell. Johnson's dictionary was published in 1755. Mr. Spectator in the Spectator essays represents Joseph Addison, the essayist himself. Swift's The Battle of Books, which presents the dispute between the ancients and modern, was published in 1704. The Spider Bee episode occurs in Swift's The Battle of Books. The Battle of the Books. Swift's Gulliver's Travel is a novel in 4 parts describing a ship's doctor Gulliver's visit to 4 strange lands. A Tale of Tub is a religious allegory by Swift. Atticus, the character in Pope's An Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot, is a caricature of Addison. The principal characters in Pope's mock epic The Rape of the Lock are Belinda and Lord Peter. In The Rape of the Lock, Ariel is a sylph and guardian angel of Belinda, who warns her a dread event. Pope's Dunciad, a mock heroic poem celebrating dullness, is dedicated to Swift. Pope's Dunciad first satirized Lewis Theobald, but in its revised form attacked Colicib. नेक्स्ट और लास्ट है हमारा मॉल फ्रेंडर्स इज़ अ पिकेरस नॉवेल बाय डैनियल डिफो। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में हमने 153 वन लाइनर तक हम आ चुके हैं। अब हम आपको अगली क्लास में फिर मिलते हैं, और इससे पहले डे 1 की वन लाइनर सीरीज़ आपको हमारे ही चैनल में मिल जाएगी। सो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच। सी यू टुमारो।